Okay, so if you want to make yourself look like this, just like how I'm looking on the screen, what you need to do is, first of all, let me just first tell you that this video is only applicable to the people who have the NVIDIA graphics card. So to check your graphics card, what you need to do is press Ctrl Shift and Escape on your keyboard, and then go to performance and see which graphics card you have. If you have the NVIDIA graphics card only, then this video is useful. What you need to do is, if you have the graphics card, which I hope you do, otherwise I don't think you should watch this video. What you need to do is go on to Google and search for NVIDIA broadcast, then go to their official website and click on download now. It will start downloading a software called NVIDIA broadcast. After it's completed its download, which will just take few seconds because it's really short, small software. You need to double click it, allow, and what it will do is, let me show it on the screen. Here you have to click on agree and continue, express, and next. Install it. What will happen is that my device source here was actually NVIDIA broadcast, so it will close the software and will start the downloading, and I cannot close it right now. It takes some time for it to download, so have patience. Till then, I will show you other settings. What you need to do is, on your OBS studio, if you want to use it on the OBS, right click on the source here, or what you can do is click on this plus icon, add source, and you need to add here, you need to actually search for video display, video capture device. Then you need to create a device. You can name it anything, click on OK, and here you'll see multiple options. Out of then you have to select NVIDIA broadcast, and then you need to apply different settings, which I will cover in this video. Right now I'll just don't use that. I just have to wait for its installation, and you can do the settings to default. So you have to do that. And also you can use one more thing I should show in this video, is that in video input device, which you can just add it from here, video input device, you have to select the NVIDIA broadcast if you are because it has really a good noise reduction software, which kind of reduces your noise in your video as you record. It takes a few seconds. I'll just pause the video till then. Okay, so after it's done installing, you can just search for the NVIDIA broadcast. If it's not available on the desktop like this, for me it's available, but if it doesn't, then just search for in Windows NVIDIA broadcast and open it up. And here you need to do some settings. First, you need to select your camera source. For me, I'm using my phone's camera using this software, which is a free software. You can just use your phone camera as a webcam. Then here you need to select the FPS you want. I just want this FPS and quality. Then there are two options. On by default, you won't get these options. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how I look like in here. Okay. What you need to do now is just add effect, search for background removal, enable it, and don't select for performance. People think that it will improve their performance. Actually, it's quality. It's the battery that it saves. So you need to select on quality. Then add another effect. You can actually, this is optional, but you can add this effect called eye contact. It's not really that effective. Like if right now I'm looking down and it's not connecting my eyes to the camera, like it doesn't looks like I'm looking directly into the camera. So it's not really that effective in my opinion. And then you need to go to microphones. You can select any microphone you want. For me, I selected this microphone, which you can see the one I'm wearing here. That microphone I just selected. Then on by default, you won't get these options. You need to click on add effects. First, let me just remove this and show it again. Add effect, and here you will get the noise removal. Enable it. Strain should be, you can, I just use 100% strain because there's a bit of noise in the room sometimes. And then click on add another effect. Here you can see echo removal. Enable that as well. Now here's the important thing. When you enable it and you're done with this, what you need to do is go to your OBS studio and click on this plus icon and go to video capture device. Click on OK. And here you need to select the NVIDIA broadcast as your video capture device. As you can see, just made it like 2 of them because I already had one. So I'll just disable it for now and show you the one that I'm using, video capture device here. And here you can increase or decrease the size after that. Or you can just disable or enable it. And that's it. You can just see the watch settings I'm using here. It's the same settings. It's the settings I'm using. And that's it. It's really that simple. Okay, so let's see. There's other options in here as well, which I want to show. Audio input device. So as I was saying that you can make the audio input device, you can right click and go to properties. Here you need to select the NVIDIA broadcast if you want the noise reduction effect to take place. And that's it for this video. Okay, it's actually disabled right here. I'll have to enable it later, but that's it for this video. And there are many different effects, like for example, this one, the pain effect, because there's a problem with the OBS studio that people don't know how to draw. I have made a tutorial on that. You can check out on the channel to learn how to draw. It's really a free software. You don't have to pay anything. And one more thing, when you're using so many of this effect from the NVIDIA broadcast, which I am using right now, the PC performance, like let me just show you in the performance here. It is using a lot of GPU. You can see it in here, NVIDIA broadcast, NVIDIA container. It's using 16% of the memory, 8% of the CPU, and 44% of the GPU. It really uses a lot of GPU. So depending on your PC, you might just don't want to have like all of this enabled. Basics are background removal. If you want some good voice quality, then you can just enable noise removal. But since my PC is actually powerful enough to support everything, I'm just using all of it. That's it for this video. Do like and subscribe before leaving